Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add the bird to your photo on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just if you want to add birds to your photo, open a project and go to the lower bar, and you can find the birds option next to the auto adjust. Tap that and you can find different birds. Just select one and you can set that. And but actually not this photo, because this is a woman. So and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.